Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I've missed you terribly. Now today's video is going to be appealing to all iOS fans, iPhone fans, iPad fans, Mac fans, anything to do with Apple. As a customer, you guys are going to get psyched because this video is all about you guys. Now, have you wondered how your expensive iPad can be more than just a productivity tablet or an entertainment tablet, more than just being an iPad? Now, how about using it as a second monitor, as a second screen? How does that sound? Nice, right? Stay tuned, we'll talk more when we come back. Now, I hope some of you are already biting on your fingernails and, getting thrilled and, what? Second screen? iPad as a second screen? What? Now, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to convert your iPad to become a second screen. Yes, it does sound damn good. So what do you need? Three things you need. Firstly, of course, you need a main laptop or a desktop that you are currently working on, something that you want to project that whatever you're working on into an iPad. Secondly, of course, you need an iPad, like duh. Thirdly, you need some money because you have to buy this app, but it's not going to cost you a lot. It just costs 15 Singapore dollars. That's cheap, actually. Now, why do I say it's cheap? Well, you've already gotten your iPad. The cheapest iPad is $498. That is the budget one that came out last year or the year before. And if you don't use that, you're going to probably invest in a portable screen, a portable monitor, something like an Asus Zen screen, which will probably cost about $300. That's not really a good investment for your money. So since you already have the iPad, just top up another $15 and you got yourself a, not really a brand new, but hey, it's another thing to play around with. So now the steps on how to convert the iPad to become a second screen. Okay, firstly, you need to go to the Apple App Store. So power up your App Store on your iPad and then search Duet. So Duet Display will be the top of the list. Next, you need to purchase it. So just purchase it. For me, I've already owned it, so I'm just going to open it up. So after you've completely installed the application onto your iPad, next you need to go to your PC or your laptop. So go to duetdisplay.com and then you have a choice whether to download it on a Mac or a PC. Since I'm running on a PC, I just download on the PC. So start to download. Once it has downloaded, go ahead and install it. So after you've installed, you'll get a prompt to restart your laptop or your PC. Just go on ahead and restart it. Okay, so once your PC has restarted or your laptop has restarted, you can then connect your iPad to the PC or the laptop. What you need to do is, of course, get the connector, the lightning connector, right? Just hook it up to one end to the iPad and the other end to your laptop. Oh, fun fact, guys, because this is one of the very few times that I can use a Microsoft product with an Apple product. Like, seriously, there's not much opportunities for me to venture out into that region, right? Love it. So once you've hooked up your iPad to the PC, you might get this prompt that the iPad is asking whether you trust this computer or not. For me, I've got no trust issues. I fully trust my PC and laptop, so I'm just going to hit trust. Or then again, if you don't hit trust, then you cannot get this connection to be working. So there's no choice. You have to click on trust this computer. Okay, back to the iPad. You just have to look for Duet. Duet is, by the way, D-U-E-T, when two people singing, that kind of duet. It's the My Endless Love, that kind of duet, right? Now it says that Duet is launching, so just wait for the prompt to prompt you. And magically, your iPad is actually turning into a second screen already. So I have my laptop here showing my primary main screen with all my icons and stuff. And then on the iPad, it's my extended screen. You can actually change the display on the iPad to suit your needs. If you want it to be an extended, you just change the display settings of from the laptop. So you choose whichever you want. If you want it to be extended, and then what you are looking at the iPad is an extended screen. If you want it duplicate, you can do so. If you want just the iPad to be the only screen, you can do so as well. So it really depends on what you want. For me, I'm very happy as the iPad just being an extended screen is what I was going for. And if you want to look for some documents or whatever in your iPad, and the extended display is still showing, what you need to do is just press the home button and it will go back to your main iPad screen, the one that is default, not as an extended screen. So that's it. It's only 3 simple steps. Alright, as a bonus, if you don't want to use the iPad, or if you don't have an iPad to use as a secondary screen, if you have an iPhone lying around, those old ones, or the ones that you have in your pocket, the one that is super expensive, the one that I cannot afford, you can actually also hook that onto your laptop. Same process, same structure, and your iPhone becomes a second screen too. Great, right? So Duet, $15 only. I think it's a very small price to pay. For just $15 only, you can fully maximize your iPad or your iPhones. Right, one of the common questions that people ask is, how's the connectivity? Is it good? Is it seamless? You know, is there any lagginess? No lagginess at all, okay? I've used these for a while, and so far I've not experienced any lagginess. It works seamlessly. It feels like I'm actually hooking up a physical monitor to my laptop. So guys, I hope that this video has been beneficial for you. You can now use your iPhone and your iPad as a secondary monitor, fully and further maximizing their usage. I'll include the links in the description box below, so do check it out. If you have any further questions, do hit me up in the comment section and ask me more about this setup or the Duet app. Alright guys, that's it from me. I hope you have a good weekend. Stay healthy. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.